Hi everyone and welcome to the 13th Annual International Finance Awards. We have had a wonderful evening here at the Waldorf Astoria, Bangkok, where the distinguished business leaders from around the world have come together to celebrate excellence in global finance. And today we have the special guest from the Laos Development Bank or LDB. It's very great honor to have you with us. And very warm welcome, Mr. Phalideth Malavong. And can you introduce yourself a little bit?
My name is Phalideth Malavong, and you can call me Bob. I am the Deputy Director and Manager of the IT Department at Laos Development Bank. So I take this role just for 2 years because I just got promoted 2 years ago.
2 years ago, okay. And let's get started with the first question. So what is your vision for digital banking in Laos, and how does customer experience play a role in that vision?
Before we get into the digital banking scene in Laos, I would like to share with you a little bit about our banking journey. It all started back in 2012 when LDB introduced our mobile banking application called LDB Trust to the market. And we were the first bank in Laos that provides or offer a mobile banking application. So since that time, we are committed to ourselves to drive forward to digitization. And therefore, we aim to create a super app that fosters a fully inclusive, secure, and seamless financial ecosystem that empowers every customer, whether they are in city, they are in rural areas, or even they are like foreign visitors to get access to banking services in Laos.
Okay, so you are the first one.
Yeah.
And make it better and better for foreigners and the local people also.
Yes, actually we would like to, promote financial inclusion in Laos to the use of our mobile application, aiming to enable the, the remaining about 70% of the population to access banking services. And this is our ultimate vision toward digital banking in Laos. For customer experience, this is at the core of our vision. So our vision is to be the bank that customers trust the most for the best services, technology, and staff. So we truly believe that our mobile banking application should enhance customer life by providing convenience and secure and personalized features so that our customer can perform transactions quickly and conveniently. We also continuously gather feedback from our customer to improve our services, from simplifying transaction steps to enhancing security features. This is to ensure that every single transaction builds trust and satisfaction.
Okay, that sounds great. And it's like big innovation for your country, right?
Yeah, it's kind of the big milestone for our company and for the country as well, because we know that the policy from the government is to move forward modernization. So this is can be one of the missions that we have to achieve.
Okay. For the next question, what new digital features or innovations has LDB Trust introduced over the past year? And how have they influenced customer satisfaction?
Wow. You heard me mention several times about financial inclusion, right? Yes. So we have features like an online wallet and digital account opening using biometric and AI technologies to support financial inclusion, to help do KYC and registrations for our application. And in addition, last year, we just introduced 5 new features on the LDB app, LDB Trust app, and that's under the project called Group Banking. So I will tell you a little bit about each feature. So the first feature that we would like to, probably present to you is that Trust Bank. This is the feature that, offer a comprehensive account and finance management. Because you can create a shadow account instantly, like in real time, and you can also like ask someone or maybe add someone to manage this account as well. So you can set a permission for that person to just do only like monitoring transaction or can do the fully transaction. So we have the different level for rights for that person as you are the owner to create the account. And the second feature we call Trust Love, that like support personal and group saving. We have different type of saving. For example, like I think it really helped a lot because like I think it's based on my experience for this feature. When you and your friend plan to like to do some activity or travel to somewhere, right? So you ask everyone to contribute money as like fund for expenses during the trip, and this is really meet that requirement because like you can create a saving account and you can ask or add your friend to join in, and everyone can top up money to that account so that everyone can share this expense as well, and it's very transparent. Yeah. And the third one is Trust Chat, that like help user make instant transfer and connect to people within the LDB Trust community. Yeah, and coming next to the first one, we have Trust Widget. This is a shortcut way for customers to make and receive payment through QR codes. And the last one, we have the Trust Box. I think the security nowadays is very important. That's why we have this feature to like enable the user to be able to lock their own account, like from debit transaction. This empowered them to control their own risk. And we also integrate our system to government and booking services to facilitate payments for our customer. I think that this type of improvements like have simplified daily transactions and build customer satisfaction. So we have the customer growth rate in 2025 like exceeds like 40% compared to 2024. Yeah.
It sounds so convenient, and it sounds like more safety, more security for every people.
Yeah, actually, like we think that how we can balance the convenience and security as well. So we give the security control to the customer to like to manage their own, and we still care about the convenience as well. So
yes,
we give everything to customer to be to make a decision for that. Yeah.
So it sounds like trust, like your bank name.
Sure.
Yeah, it's about trust and security.
Yes.
Yes,
right.
and easy.
Yeah.
So move on to the last question. What does winning the Best Customer Experience Digital Banking Laos Awards mean for LDB Trust? And how do you plan to build on this achievement?
The Best Customer Experience Digital Banking Laos Award means a lot to me and my team. Because it's just an honor to receive this award. It shows that our effort to understand customer and continuously improve our digital channel and provide a simple and reliable solution for customer make a real impact for our customer. And for the LDB Bank itself, right? This award is not just the best for the organization, but it's also a reminder that customer trust us, and this trust comes with responsibility. So we want to make better and better. So we plan to integrate and adopt AI ability to our mobile application to ensure that this will help customer, for example, like help analyze what customer really need and recommend the best choice and options for them.
Okay. So it sounds like an innovation for the world, not just for Lao countries. Thank you for sharing your vision today. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you ขอบใจ